Hey second grade, welcome to math class. Today we have counting by threes in lesson 153, and we talked about this a few days before, so it's not just totally new for you, but let's just go over it again. Counting by threes, yeah, let's look in that box there on top of your lesson. It's each box that is colored in there is going by threes. So when you count by threes, you skip two numbers in between. So we start with 0, and then we skip 1 and 2, and then we go to 3, and then skip 4 and 5. 6 is the next number, skip 7 and 8. 9 is the next number by threes, skip 10 and 11. 12 is the next number by threes, skip 13 and 14. 15 is the next number by threes, skip 16 and 17. 18 is the next number by threes, we skip 19 and 20. And 21 is the next number, and then you skip the next two numbers. So just on like that. Let's fill in these blanks here on the board the rest of the way by threes. So we have 0, 3, 6, 9, and then we have 12 and 15. And then we have 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Okay, and then we have here by hundreds. I'm going to fill in the missing blanks by hundreds. 4,560 before that would be by hundreds. You would look in the hundreds place and do the number less than that. So it would be 4,460. And then we have 4,660. And then we have 290. So the number before 290 would be 3. 3 actually 1. 1 comes before 9. 1 comes before 2. So it would be 190. Then we have 290, 390. Here we have 1,042. So before 1,042, well, start back. Before the 0 would come the 9, so 942 would be before that by hundreds. And then here we have estimating the numbers to the nearest 10. 83 to the nearest 10 would be 80. 95 would be 100. 46 would be 50. 27 is 30. 13 is 10. Okay, writing the number words here. So did you all memorize the numbers about by now? Writing like the words for the numbers. So we have 10 here. Let's just go over that again. 10 is spelled T-E-N. 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y. 30 is T-H-I-R-T-Y. 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. You would skip the U in 40. It's just F-O-R-T-Y. 50 is F-I-F-T-Y. 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 7 and then T-Y. 80 is E-I-G-H-T-Y. 8 and then the Y. And then 90 is N-I-N-E-T-Y. And 100 is 1. And then skip a space because it's two words, so you skip a space. 1 and then H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay, so those are your numbers. Now let's do this up here. We have addition here, addition column. So 4 plus 3 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 813 is your answer. And then here we have a subtraction problem. So we need to subtract 3 minus 8. 3 is less than 8, so we will need to borrow. Put 1 beside the 3, cross out the 6, put a 5 on top. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 0 minus 4, again, we have less numbers, so we'll need to borrow again. So put a 1 beside the 0, cross out the 2, put a 1 on top. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus nothing is 1. So 1,645 is your answer. Okay, let's do this one next. 7 minus 8. 7 is less than 8, right? So we'll need to borrow again, put a 1 beside the 7, cross out the 0, put a 9 on top, and right away cross the 3 out and put a 2 on top. And 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 4. 3 is less than 4, so we'll need to borrow. Put a 1 beside the 3, cross out the 4, put a 3 on top. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus nothing is 3. So we have 39,109 is your answer. And we have a plus and equal sign here, which means we need to check this answer to make sure it's the right one. So we will check by addition. We check these two numbers together, and it's supposed to be the same as this number was. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 9 plus 0 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 43,307, and it's the same as this, so our answer is correct on that. Okay, let's do the story problem here. And first of all, when you do story problems, you have to read them really carefully. And as you're reading them, make sure that you understand what they're saying. Like, try to picture in your mind what they're talking about in the story problem, because that's very important. It will help you to understand later on if we add or subtract or multiply or divide, like once you're in 3rd grade. So you need to very carefully read your problem, and as you're reading it, think in your mind, what are they talking about in the problem? So let's read this problem, and as we're reading it, we'll think about what they're talking about. So Earl fed 73 calves in hutches. Then he fed 15 more calves in the barn. How many calves did he feed altogether? So we'll underline your 73 calves and 15 more calves and all together. Okay, so we're thinking 73 calves. So think 73 calves in hutches, right? 73 calves, and then plus he fed 15 more than that. So 15 more calves he fed in the barn. They were in the barn. 15 more calves in the barn. So how many calves did he feed altogether? So you have altogether. Whenever you have altogether, you have to add. So we're going to add 73 plus 15. So put our work up here. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 88 calves altogether. Wow, that's a lot of calves. Anyway, so 73 plus 15 equals 88 calves, of course. Okay, so 88 calves is your answer. All right. Yeah, so today you have counting by threes, and also you can, do you remember these signs here? So whenever you have this is more, because the bird's mouth is going for the more thing. So this is more, like 15 is more than 10. So more, and this point is less. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna let you work on your lesson. Don't forget to do your speed drill, and also you have worksheet today that you can also do. So yeah, I'll let you work now, and you have a good day.